you, thank you, thank you. I hope your hip feel better. slow it down a bit. Crazy for ya. Time That's one of my most favorite songs. I absolutely love, love, love that song.
So awesome.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. We appreciate you so much. Woo. I'm ready. Hold on, let me drink something.
That started off.
All right, here we go. Well, it's one for the money, two for the show. Better get it ready now. Go catch on. Step on my blue suede shoe. What you been doing today? From me on for my blue suede shoe. You can knock me down, step on my face, send my name all over the place. Do anything that you wanna do, but honey, lay off for my shoes. Step on my blue suede shoe. Well, you can do anything for me on for my Thank you, thank you. Woo-hoo. Let me tell you how this is gonna go. So we're gonna turn to the left, and we're gonna keep turning until I say freeze. You can do it fast, or you can do it slow. I'm gonna suggest that you do it slow because my insurance don't cover you. You can do it fast now, but I suggest you do it slow. And then when I say hit it, we're gonna dip down and up like so. Yeah, you got that, sir? Yeah. All right, you ready? Okay, he said he ready. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, go! But I need at least 10. Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't see it. I'm sorry. All right, I have to buy you another cocktail. I need you to stay. So right now I need some temptations. Young man, temptation. Background dances. That's real simple. I'm going to explain to you what to do. All I want you to do is move from left to right. Point. And that's all you're going to do. If you know the song, sing along. Hey! I knock over? All right, I'm gonna get you another cocktail.
Thank you.
Hold on, I'm gonna get you a cocktail.
Thank you, singer.
Thank you, thank you. All right, let's do a slide right quick. This is gonna be our last song. We have to take a break.